During spring and summer, there is nothing I like better than wearing a dress. So let me show you a bunch of sewing patterns that have dress options that I think you will love. First up, Willow wrap dress. Now, if you're looking for a dress that has a complementary silhouette for literally every figure, this faux wrap dress is where it's at. It has maternity options, it has neckline options so you can make it higher or lower, a multitude of sleeves, and it has this really lovely kind of A-line skirt to it. It is easy to sew, it doesn't take very much fabric, and it looks good on everybody. Next up is Rhapsody Blouse and Dress. This is a pattern that is meant for lightweight woven fabrics. It has lots of sleeve options, and it has some really pretty details here at the shoulder, and it has like a yoke in the back. If you're looking for a new pattern to sew, I would highly suggest looking at the Tempo Sundress. This is a pattern that just came out last year. It is a sundress option, but it has nice wide straps that your bra strap is not going to show through. It has a neckline facing. The back is sheared, or you can do elastic, and it has pockets. It also comes in knee length, but I love this for just an easy to wear, kind of a dressier option for the summer. How about a dress that's a little bit more casual? This is the Sunday Romper, and this is the dress version of the romper. It comes in knee length or in maxi length. I love this pattern because it is a dolman style, so it really doesn't take very much fabric, and it also has a tank style or sleeveless style. And the front and the back are these really pretty, very easy to construct V-necks. And so this is a great use for some of your knit fabric. I've got mine in a Swiss dot, and of course, pockets. So a lot of Love Notions patterns that are primarily known as tops also have dress length options. This is the Forte Top and Dress. Forte is kind of like almost like a boho style pattern. It has lots of different kinds of sleeves. I just have the basic long here, but there's also like a big flare sleeve that comes with this. It has a variety of necklines, but for the dresses, it has this bodice style that is got a V-neck neckline. And then there's two different options for the dress as far as this area right here. You can either do like the gathering, or you can do the one that kind of like flounces out into like a waterfall in the middle. There's like a center seam. Either one of these is so pretty and looks really good on everybody. So check out Forte Top and Dress. How about another woven pattern? This is the Lyric dress. It's also a peplum. I actually have made this in a rayon challis, and I added on two extra tiers on the bottom of the knee length version. I love this style. I feel like it's everywhere. This just like a very classic, easy to wear style. I just put a belt on here just to give a little bit more waist definition. And it has a variety of sleeves that come with it. Don't be so scared of the buttonholes. They are really not that bad, and you can always do some workarounds for those. I think this is a really cool, casual, very accessible dress for anybody. Okay, what about a dress pattern that is a little bit more elevated in style? This is the Tessa Sheath dress, and this is such a great option for anybody who is looking for like a wedding guest dress, maybe something that's like a little bit more business casual or a business formal. You could put like a blazer over this, and this Tessa Sheath dress is so easy to sew. It is a knit pattern, and you can use it with more stable knit fabrics like Ponte, and here I've got it in this kind of like sequiny special occasion fabric, and I love this. Also, the finishing for the neckline is really easy, and it's such a clean finish. So take a look at that Tessa Sheath dress. Okay, how about a free option? This is the Laundry Day Tee dress option, and you can get this Laundry Day Tee pattern for free when you join the Love Notions pattern support group on Facebook. There's a code in when you join, and I love this pattern. I love the flare out. It's kind of like fitting at the bust, a little bit nips in at the waist, and then it comes out for like this really beautiful flare. Again, this is a knit pattern. It's easy to wear. Anybody can wear this, and it is so quick to sew up. In fact, that's where the Laundry Day Tee gets its name. It's because it's faster to sew up a new outfit than to do the laundry. So take a look at all those dress options and see if you can't find something that works for you.